Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2, which consists of Muhammad Adam Firdaus, Arli Salsabila, Serlin Saramwani. We will present our material about computer development and utilization process. Development of computer-based learning media. The development of computer technology today has formed a network that can provide the possibility for students to interact with learning resources widely. Computer-based learning itself is the management of learning by utilizing computer devices, both hardware and software. Utilization of computer equipment is also often identified with the use of internet sets networks, but actually computers are not limited to computer and internet devices but also include information media such as television, radio, multimedia players, mobile phones, and various other computer devices. And the next, forms of using computer for learning. The first, use of multimedia presentation. Two, interactive multimedia CD. And the last, video learning. The first, use of multimedia presentation. Multimedia presentation are used to explain theoretical materials used in classical learning with a study group of more than 50 people. This media is quite effective because it uses a multimedia projector that has a very large transmit range. The advantage of this media is that it combines all media elements such as text, video, animation, image, graphics, and sound into a unified presentation so that it accommodates according to student learning modalities, and this program can accommodate students who have visual, auditory, and kinesthetic types. And the next is interactive multimedia CD. Interactive CD can be used for learning in elementary schools because they are quite effective in improving student learning outcomes, especially computers. Some interactive multimedia models include drill models, tutorial models, simulation models, and model instructional games. The first is Drills model. Drills model is a form of computer-based interactive learning model, or CBI, which aims to provide a more constructed learning experience through the provision of practice questions to test student performance through the speed of completing the exercise questions provided by the program. Next is tutorial model. The tutorial model is an interactive learning program used in PBM by using software in the form of a computer program containing subject matter. Tutorials in interactive multimedia learning programs are intended as a substitute for humans as instructors directly in fact, given in the form of text or graphics on the screen that have provided question points or problems. And the next is simulation model. The simulation model is basically one of the learning strategies that aims to provide construct experience through the creation of imitation of forms of experience that approach the atmosphere of experience that is close to the actual atmosphere and takes place in risk-free atmosphere. The next is model instructional games. The purpose of the instructional games model is to provide an atmosphere or environment that provides learning facilities that enhance students' abilities. The instructional games model does not need to imitate reality but can have characters that provide fun challenge for students. Instructional games model as a motivation generator by bringing up ways to compete to achieve something. And the last is learning videos. In addition to interactive CD, videos include media that can be used for learning in elementary schools. This video is interactive tutorial guiding students to understand a material through visualization. Students can also interactively follow the practical activities as shown in the video. The use of interactive CD in elementary school is suitable for teaching a process. For example, the way of pollination on collisions, grafting techniques, cell division, respiration process, and others.